We'll guide you through how to fix mobile data, also known as cellular data, not working on an Android phone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be an annoying problem because you're wanting to go and access the internet without Wi-Fi using your mobile network. So we're going to guide you through how you can try fixing this so you're going to be able to go and use it hopefully. Make sure this is full guide and don't go and skip anything. Otherwise, you may go miss an important part and a method that goes and solves a problem for you. First of all, do just make sure you do have data in your plan, so you can always go and check that with your mobile network. It's very likely you do though, most modern plans are going to come with it. So what we're going to do next is go and swipe up. Find settings, you can always go and search the top of settings. Then what you need to do is you want to go and find connections. And you want to go and find the option for data usage. Then what you want to do is you want to go and find mobile data here and make sure it's switched on. If it's switched off, that is why it isn't working. Next, what you want to do is go and find data saver. Make sure this is switched off. If it's switched on, that may be why you're thinking that it's not working. Next, you want to find the option for allowed networks for apps, and you need to go and tap in here. So what you need to do is if you're finding that the mobile data isn't working in a particular app, it can be because that it's not currently allowed to go and use mobile data and cellular data. So what we need to do is go and scroll through here and find the app you want to do this with. If we press the three dots in the top right, you can go and refresh it. So you can scroll down here. So let me go and find an example. So for example, let's go and say authenticator was set to Wi-Fi only. That means it's not going to go and work on mobile or cellular data. So you need to go and tap on it and you can go and select mobile data or Wi-Fi just so it works on both. In theory, you could select mobile data only, but it makes more sense to have them both. Go and check the app if it's not working in a particular one, and hopefully you can go and solve it that way. Now, if you're finding that it still isn't working, what we're going to try doing is we're going to come out of here. You want to go and drag down at the top of your phone, and you want to go and find the airplane icon. You may need to go and drag down to go and find it in this list here, and you want to go and then tap on flight mode. And when you go and turn flight mode on, basically it goes and just disconnects you from the network. Just leave it on for a second or two, and then we can turn it back off, and it'll then go and reconnect. I like to do this just to go and refresh things. Now, what you can try doing is using mobile data, so you can go into a web browser or the app you tried to do it with, and hope for now it's working. Now, if you still find that it isn't working, what we're going to do is we're going to go and swipe up and come into settings. You want to come back to the main page, scroll down and go and find general. Scroll down again and find the option for reset. And you can scroll down and find reset mobile network settings. Tap there, press reset at the bottom, enter in your PIN. You can go and press continue and confirm the decision. And hopefully doing this is then going to go and solve the problem. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to helping you again in the future with more how-tos like this.